Everybody loves a granola bar, but have you ever had a crunchy granola bite? It's the perfect breakfast or snack that you're gonna be wanting over and over again. The first ingredient is 2 cups of old-fashioned oats, also known as 5-minute oats. Add 1/3 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, which are high in fiber, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, vanilla extract, 5 tablespoons of liquid coconut oil, and 1/4 cup of honey. Mix everything up until the oats are completely coated. And then I like to use an ice cream scoop. Put it into a greased muffin cup tin. Pat it down with the back of the ice cream scoop. Place them in a 325-degree oven for 18 minutes or until they start to get nice and golden. So you've got your granola bite. I'm gonna put a little bit of yogurt on top. Then I like to top it with anything from fresh pomegranate seeds to a beautiful blackberry, even a little bit more coconut just for the top. The crunchy with the sweet makes this the perfect on-the-go snack.